Hello students, welcome to the session. I am Mr. M.H. Mota, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. This session is on flooring materials used in building construction. The outcome of this session. At the end of this session, you will be in a position to understand various types of flooring materials used in construction. Let's start learning. A flooring material. A floor in a building construction is a leveled surface which can support the objects, occupants, etc. Different types of flooring materials are based on different factors. The flooring material is chosen as per the requirement of the user and based on the application which provides the most satisfactory results for objective, either it may be economically or durability wise. There are various types of flooring materials used in building construction, and their selection depends on applications, aesthetics, and choice of user. The different types of flooring materials used includes cement or lime concrete, brick flooring material, flagstone flooring materials, marble, glass or ceramic type of flooring material, plastic flooring, mud and murum, wood flooring, cork flooring, linoleum flooring, asphalt flooring, and rubber flooring. The selection of this depends on various factors. These factors includes the initial cost, durability, hardness or smoothness required from the point of view of its functional requirement, cleanliness properties, overall appearance, sound insulation and thermal insulation expected, the damp-proofness of the flooring material, its fire resistance and overall maintenance. Let's start discussion on different types of flooring. We will start with the mud and murum flooring. Mud is nothing but a moist earth which is being used as flooring material since olden days. It has a tremendous thermal insulation properties. That's why it is used in low cost buildings or constructions rather, where the overall thermal insulation can be very good by using the material like mud and murum. The chopped straw is added to mud to prevent it from the cracking. Sometimes cow dung is also used in this mixture. Murum is also direct natural product which is obtained from the disintegration of rock. It also has similar properties like mud. It is also be used as a flooring material like mud. These are the views of mud and murum flooring. Next is the wood flooring material. Wood or timber is one of the most common method of flooring. It is preferred when the timber is cheaply available, such as in hilly areas. The timber blocks or timber bars are provided as a flooring cover. The wooden floors are most suitable for as dance floors, as auditorium, etc. Damp-proof course below the flooring is necessary for such wooden floors as they can be easily affected because of the contact of it with the moisture. So damp-proof course is expected. These are the different views of the wooden flooring. These are very beautiful in overall appearance, but its cost sometimes may be more, particularly if the wood is not available in nearby areas. They are very popular in the luxurious building. Next is the cement concrete flooring. Concrete is one of the most commonly used flooring material. It is suitable for any type of construction and is cheaper than the floors like the wooden floors, and they even are much more durable. Cement concrete mix of 1:3:6 to 1:5:10 or lime concrete with 40% 1:2 lime sand mortar and 60% coarse aggregate is used as the base course in case of cement concrete flooring. After hardening, 1:2:4 cement concrete mix with 40 mm thick layer is laid as an topping or the surfacing. In industrial buildings, granulithic finish is provided to obtain hard wearing surface. Granulithic finish can be obtained from a rich concrete with tough quality coarse aggregate mix. These are the different views of the cement concrete flooring. Even we can give the finish in the form of different tiles, but it needs a very good kind of workmanship to have the better appearance. Next is the brick flooring. The bricks even can be used as a flooring purpose, but they are not suitable for as a floor material for residential or public building. These kind of buildings are generally used in unimportant rooms and godowns. For this, generally well-burnt bricks are preferable, and bricks should be in uniform size and have the same color. This is the figure of brick flooring. They are quite suitable for the paving purpose outside the room, particularly in the garden area, etc. Next is the flagstone flooring. Flagstone is a type of sedimentary rock which is obtained by splitting along bed planes. It consists silica, calcite and iron oxide. The flagstone is used to manufacture tiles of different size and that of different shapes, which can be used as a flooring. This is the figure of flagstone flooring. Next is the marble flooring. Marble is a type of metamorphic rock and is stain proof and it can be cleaned very easily. They are also available in different colors and different designs. The marble is used widely for flooring in commercial buildings, kitchens, bathrooms, etc. as they are stain proof and they can be cleaned easily. They are used with an advantage where the extra cleanliness is required, especially in the locations like bathrooms. They even are quite popular in the construction of temples, particularly in Rajasthan and Gujarat. These are the different views of the marble floorings or the marble views. Next is the granite flooring. Granite flooring is considered as a very luxurious material. These beautiful and durable materials are some of the toughest and longest lasting flooring options that one can find, and one of the most popular is granite. While more commonly associated with countertops and backsplash, granite still makes a perfect flooring material. It is used in the halls and lobbies of buildings, from the mansions to the fine hotels and skyscrapers. These are the different types of granites which are available as in flooring. These are available in different colors and different textures. This is the view of a granite flooring being used, in which the floorings have been cut in a particular or regular shape. So they provide a very beautiful kind of appearance. They even can be used as in the part forming the steps, particularly as an riser and trade. Next is the mosaic tile flooring. Mosaic tiles can be found in ceramic, porcelain or vitrified materials. These materials are the most popular options that are preferably suitable for walls as well as for the floors. The porcelain mosaic tiles can also be used in any area of the house, dry or wet, and perfect for even the case like swimming pool cladding. These are the different views of the mosaic tiles used as an flooring. They even are available in the regular as well as irregular shaped flooring materials. Next is the glass flooring. Glass is used as a flooring material for special conditions like to transmit light from upper floor to lower floor, and even in case of some very specific needs. They are available in tiles which are fixed in closely spaced frames. Even though it is very costly, it provides a very beautiful appearance. This is an example of glass flooring which is used for a projecting balcony. This kind of flooring is used to transmit the light and to beautify the space as such. Next is ceramic flooring. Ceramic is inorganic material and it possesses properties like good compressive resistance, brittleness and hardness. Ceramic tiles are famous floor covering materials. They are available in various designs and they even can be used for almost any purpose. These are the different views of ceramic flooring. Next is the plastic flooring material. The plastic flooring material generally are made with number of layers being placed. Plastic tiles or polyvinyl chloride or PVC tiles are widely used nowadays, which are laid on the concrete base. These tiles are available in different shapes, sizes and colors. Plastic tiles are slippery nature and can get easily damaged by the fire. So these are the limitations of such flooring material. But still they can be available in various designs. They are comparatively cheaper if you compare it with the tiles like glass tiles, and they even can be used where the good kind of sound insulation is expected. Next is cork flooring. Cork is obtained from the core oak tree. It is used as flooring material in the form of carpet. The thickness of such cork flooring is very less and is in a range of 2 to 4 mm or sometimes more. These carpets are generally noiseless and are required mainly in libraries, theatres, etc. Cork tiles are also available which are made from high-graded cork bar using compression in moldings. These are the figures of such type of flooring material, which even provides a very beautiful view along with the good sound insulation. Next is the linoleum flooring. Linoleum is a product obtained by oxidizing linseed oil in gum, resin, pigment, cork dust, etc. It is available in the form of sheets which is generally used as a covering for concrete or wooden floor. The sheets may be plain or designed or printed. This is the example of linoleum flooring in which the flooring is available in the form of certain rolls. They even are very beautiful in view. Next is asphalt flooring material. Asphalt is highly viscous liquid form of petroleum. It is used as flooring material in different ways. If asphalt and sand are mixed in a proportion of 1:2, then it is called asphalt mastic, which is poured on concrete base as a flooring cover. If a sand is replaced by marble chips, then it is called as asphalt mosaic tiles. Asphalt tiles are also available which are prepared from the asphalt fibers, the inert materials and mineral pigments. This is the figure of asphalt flooring material in which different layers have been shown, right from the base to the top layer of 20 to 30 mm single coat mosaic asphalt flooring. Next is rubber flooring material. Rubber tiles or sheets are also available in market for flooring purpose. They are made from pure rubber which is mixed with cotton fiber and asbestos fiber. The suitable adhesives are used to fix the rubber tiles with concrete or wooden base. Rubber flooring is noiseless and provided in libraries offices, etc. They are even very popular in case of dance rooms or the theaters. Well, that's it for this session. Let's meet in the next session to know more. Thank you for your patience learning, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.